Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Eurocom Nightsky RX315 laptop. So friend, Eurocom reveals the Nightsky RX315 laptop offering 15.6-inch 4K OLED display, the first 15.6-inch laptop in the industry to offer OLED technology. And friend, the Nightsky is extremely lightweight, weighing at only 4.4 lbs for graphics. The Nightsky is powered by a few GPU choices, one being the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080, and friend, it is coated in a titanium black aluminum alloy casing, and friend, powered by Intel's Generation Core i9-11800H Tiger Lake CPU, offering 8 cores and 16 threads, and friend, 2 GPU choices are given in for ensure the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 graphics processor with 8 GB GDDR6 memory, or GeForce RTX 3080 GPU with 16 GB GDDR6 memory. And friend, the max Q configurability allow for blower individually to adaptively cool the system to promise efficient airflow. And friend, connectivity is quite full on the Nightsky RX315 laptop, equipped with Wi-Fi, GBE port, HDMI, MDP, TB4, Thunderbolt 4 connection, 3 USB 3.2 port, and 6-in-1 card reader. And friend, it showcases the 1 megapixel webcam and Sound Blaster X Pro Gaming 360 audio system and 2x3.5mm audio jack. And friend, the two audio jacks are controlled by Realtek's ALC 1220 codec and support S or PDIF over a single jack. And friend, the finally laptop offers TPM 2.0 module and fingerprint scanner for premium security. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the starting price is $2,799, and friend, the option does not offer Windows 11. And friend, the premium configurable laptop option will be estimated MRP as high as $11,000. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.